The Mohawk language is considered endangered, with less than 2,500 speakers in Canada and the USA. While the number of first language speakers is declining throughout the Mohawk Nation, the population of Indigenous peoples in Canada is growing. To reverse the decline of Indigenous languages in Canada, the Truth and Reconciliation Commission final report called for the establishment of more education and cultural spaces. The time to seriously invest in the creation of Mohawk speakers is now. That's why we're proposing the Kenhtè Language and Cultural Center, a net zero facility that sits lightly and lives in harmony with the land. The Kenhtè Language and Cultural Center would house our school programs, an art studio, a rooftop medicine garden, and a replica longhouse. The center has been designed to accommodate our current and future needs for delivering language, culture, and event programs. The Kenhtè Language and Cultural Center has been inspired by input from the community, the dreams and aspirations of our youth, and the TTO staff and board members. To learn more, visit tto-kenhtè.org.
to wa ja wa dat ka te ga ya